Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Spotify not working on iPhone. If Spotify is not working on your iPhone, you can try some troubleshooting step to resolve the issue. So guys, our step number 1 is update the Spotify app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed on your iPhone. You have to go to the App Store and then simply search here Spotify. Go to search and search here Spotify and go to it, and you if see any available update for the Spotify app, consider updating it to its latest version. After this, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your settings, then tap on the general, tap on software update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Then you have to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable and active internet connection. You have to go to the control center and check that the Wi-Fi signals and all the cellular signals. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve temporary issues. So you have to go to the general, tap on the shut down your iPhone, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after restarting and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply enable the background app refresh. This allows the app to refresh content in the background. So you have to make sure that it's enabled. To do this, you have to simply go to the general, tap on the background app refresh, again tap on it, and you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi and cellular data option is enabled. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do delete and reinstall the Spotify app on the iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply go to the app and then tap and hold on it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Spotify from the iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Spotify app not working on the iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.